Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor tutorials how to fillet surface. Okay, in it I will create new part, and for example I will create star with 3D sketch. You can click at this icon, star 3D sketch. Use line tools. I will draw in a perspective view from this point to here, set into 10, but to the top 10. For red axis 10, green axis 10, then blue axis 10. Next you can connect. Use line tools again, create line from this point into here. Now we can click finish sketch. To convert into surface, I will use patch tools and select this sketch and also this line object. Click OK. The patch again, but first you need to active for sketch. Click plus icon in here, right click in sketch 1 and then click visibility. Use patch again, select these objects and also this line object. Click OK. Now we can hide for sketch. To create fillet in the surface, you can use fillet tools. Click at this icon fillet, and we use for the face fillet. Can select this face also in it to be automatically create for the fillet. You also can set for radius like into 2. Click OK to apply. Okay, that's it for basic Inventor tutorials how to fillet surface. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.